Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are at lake number 1. Pretty windy out, but I fished here years ago and I've caught a fish. So let's see if my luck is better this time. We're gonna start the day off with a little jig with a creature bait tied onto it. This is from 6 Cents. No idea how deep the water is. Seems pretty clear. You can see at least a couple feet down. So let's see if we can catch something. Also, I have no idea if there's even fish in here, like bass. I've caught a perch here before, but like I said, that was years ago. And it was off a dock. This place is usually windy too. Sorry if you guys can't hear me very well. What you starting off on, Danielle? Holy! This wind! What you starting off on, Danielle? Show the audience.
Crush 50X, I believe.
Who's by?
6 Cents.
Yes, sir. You bet. Yeah, no, it's really windy. Remember to keep your rod tip up. Hey, these aren't little prickers. Ow. Adventures with bait and beer. There's something in my shoe. It's poking me. thing looks so good swimming through the water with its appendages just flapping around. If anybody knows, fishing in the wind like this is a pain. It's a nice day out. There you go. It looks a little bit deeper down here. Oh. No. Nothing yet. I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like it. It is a bald eagle. Flying up there. America, baby. Right there. America. I might change to something heavier. Alright guys, so we just tied on a Snatch 70X rattler. No lips, no nothing. See if we can get a reaction bite. It's a little bit heavier than the jig as well. So it's gonna fly out a lot further. And then we can just swim this one regularly. I think I got one, babe. Oh, first cast. Look at that. No way. No way. Hold on. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Look at you. Gotta get my freaking pliers out. No way, dude.
Oh, fishy.
Hopefully, he needs to stop moving so it doesn't go into his gill. Okay, buddy. Okay. Calm down, buddy. I hate treble hooks. Okay. You're good, buddy. Just let me get the hooks out. I didn't know I had one at first. Here we go. There we go. I was literally commenting on how I wanted to get a reaction bite, and sure as hell, I got one. Beautiful fish, probably a pound and a half. How cool is that?
Yeah, I was all the way over there and there's a beaver.
I heard you. I don't know if the camera did. I thought I was just tangled up and then it started pulling line. I was like, what the heck? Sweet. maybe I'll stay over here.
Whatever you just used.
It makes a lot of noise. Looks like there's a grass patch out there as well. This thing sure does make a lot of noise too. Alright, we're gonna migrate over there. Looks pretty good. Calmer over there. Less wind. See ya. Super grassy over here. I might have to switch it up to something else. I bet you'll catch something on the worm over here. That's a big old bumblebee. It's a lot nicer over here. Not so windy. Do you smell the skunk? He's somewhere over here. And I really don't want to make him mad.
Bug on my leg and I don't know what it was.
Huh?
There's a black bug on my leg.
Oh, there's beds right here.
Why were there bubbles coming out?
Because of the grass, probably.
Like it looked like a tornado or bubble. Okay, where am I going? What's up, guys? It's Danny. Oh, this thing keeps getting stuck everywhere. We are going in. Let's try to catch a fish. I'm using the Crush 50X. It's really dirty over here. Like, really dirty. Oh, that's nasty. Let's see if we can check it out. There we go. Oh, I got it intertwined. Look at this. It's nasty. Ow! Stuck on my finger.
Ouch.
It's so windy out. Ugh, I need to like cast further. Ow. Oh, I got some. I got seaweed. Freaking. Oh. This is the worst part, is pulling all this nasty stuff off. Like, what the heck? It looks like a worm. I like to try to go super fast with it, so that when I go back out again, I can go slower-ish, and it tends to get the fish's attention. But I keep catching all this nastiness. Gotta be optimistic, we'll catch a fish. I really like this one because you can feel the vibration in your pole. This one usually does, honestly, really good. It's just nothing's biting today. It's just usually my really good spot right here. Just gotta keep going, can't give up. You got a stick or something?
See the fish blow up over there?
No. This is what I keep catching.
Little red breast. Kind of chunky. This is the worst part. It's spines.
He's saying, don't touch me.
Fatty. Number 2 on the old Wormski. What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning into another video. So in the second half we had Danielle's field of view. She was the one behind the GoPro, and you'll see how she reacts to fishing and, you know, her knowledge of fishing and what she has to say. I think she did a pretty good job. As for being behind the camera, it's definitely not easy. You gotta let loose a little bit, but you'll see her express her feelings for fishing. And we ended the video with just basic fishing. We used a hook and bobber and some worms, and the bass weren't biting as much as I hoped. It was a nice day. It's supposed to be really nice this week, and we just thought we'd end it with a little bit of bluegill fishing, or red breast, or brim, whatever you may call it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.